Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make crispy and spicy plantain chips. Without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. To the ingredients, I have plantain. For today's video, I'll be mixing both ripe and unripe plantain, onion, pepper and salt. First, I'm going to peel the plantain and cut it into tiny circles with a knife. A peeler can do the job perfectly as well. After cutting the plantain, season it with salt and dried pepper. The dried pepper is optional. If you want it spicy, that's when you add the pepper. Then you mix everything together and leave it to rest for a few minutes. Heat up some oil and fry onions in it. Then add the plantain in bits to avoid sticking together. Fry on medium heat until it is crispy, golden brown and drained properly. Then the plantain chips is ready. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. See you guys in my next video.